guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Alright guys, I just want to show you real quick this video is to show you how simple it is to send a text message in the SMS Lead Network platform. Okay, this is one of the capture pages we have, and what I'm going to do is just go straight into it. Okay, so if you're already in your back office and you want to send your text message, even though we have videos to show you how to do all this, you go right here and click, get started, and it's going to walk you step by step, okay, on how to do it. But I'm going to show you real quick how simple it is. So you're in your back office, you click SMS broadcast, okay. Go here and you go under group, entire group. Okay, it's real simple, guys. The leads are already uploaded, so just for the video's sake, I just didn't go through that. I'm just going to pick one of my list. Pick this one. Okay, so you just select your list, click continue. Okay, and here we are. We're right here at the page where you send the message out. Okay, and I'm just going to make a note so that I'll remember what I'm doing here. So let's see, I'm going to say I'm just going to say VLS page number 10. This is just, you have a title bar here. This is just to help you remember, just keep a record of what you're doing. So when you go back, you'll remember what it was. So I just want to make a note for myself that I'm using my list number 10. Okay. List 10. And actually, I'm going to send this text for SMS Lead Network. Okay. So this text is going to be for that. List 10. Okay. So right here in this space, it's 160 characters. Okay. So I'm going to send this out right now. Okay. So I'm going to send this message. Okay, I'm just going to type something up real quick. I just want to show you how easy it is. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to put the Okay, you have to put that disclaimer at the bottom with this one. In the SMS Lead Network, you have to put a disclaimer at the bottom, reply stop to quit. Okay? You don't have to do that with the SMS phone leads. Okay? Alright, so this free video shows you how to earn $100 with your cell phone. Go to mobilemarketing.ws. Okay? That's my capture page for SMS Lead Network. Okay? So when do you want it to go? I'm just going to say right now. Okay, so I just want to show you how simple it is. Go over here, hit broadcast, and you find your list and you send it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hit send. Okay. Okay, it's going to take a second, and then it's just going to go ahead and it'll download, and I'm going to show you where it is in the queue. Okay, so just give me a second. It's going to take it a second. Let me just hold on a second. Hey guys, I just want to show you something real quick. So you go to broadcast. We already sent it, right? Go to history. You can see your message going out. Okay. 7:20 today. That's the list at number 10. Here's the names of the people. Here's the message. Okay. Then we can go in my queue. Okay, click queue and you can see them in here as well. Now let me show you something. Let me go back to the dashboard. Check this out. You see this number? See, it's 1464. And I'm going to show you something. That list, okay, you see that? Since I've been recording this video and I actually sent the message, that's how fast these text messages go out, okay? 1,464 have gone out already. Looks like 2 new contacts, and see, it's sending right now. 1 referral, okay, with that message. It's still going out now. Okay, but I'm going to show you so you can see what list that was. Okay, let's go over here. Contact list, I use list number 10. It's 1,998 contacts in that list, right? So if I go back, 1,900, see, it just went up again, 1,654. So the messages are going out instantly, okay? 1 referral has come in since I sent that message out. So it is effective, okay? So this is a great system if you want to send more. If you want to send over 1,000 text messages a day, this is the system to get, okay? SMS Lead Network, $197 one time, okay? And you're going to make a $100 referral every time you refer someone to the system, okay? So this number is going up. Let's go ahead and refresh it again. Let's see. Okay, see, it's 1803. So it's sending those messages out as I'm speaking to you right now. They're going out, and they're going out very fast, okay? So definitely, SMS Lead Network, if you want to send over 1,000 plus text messages a day to mobile phones, this is the system you get. One time, $197. You get capture pages, you get an autoresponder. It's a business in a box, okay? Everything is included, the marketing, the training, everything you need to run your SMS business, guys. I don't know if you're aware of that or not, but SMS is an actual service by itself. There's companies out here charging anywhere from $99 up to, I saw a company, I think it was $300 or $400, guys, to run one campaign, okay? That's one time. So this is a business, and you have it right here at your fingertips where you own your own business. Okay, you can send your own text messages out. You don't have to pay a company to do that for you. Okay, this is the way to go. SMS Phone Leads Network for bulk texting. Okay, what I'm going to do is put the link below for it so you can get started. And I'm going to give this as a bonus. Okay, I'm going to give this system as a bonus if you join me in my big ticket program. I'm going to give this to you. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below for my big ticket program. If you join me at the $1,000 level, I'll give you the SMS Phone Leads Network system. Okay, so till next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Click the subscribe button. And go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, guys, okay? I look forward to working with you guys. I'll see you on the inside. Go ahead and opt into the page so you can see what the funnel looks like, okay? Till next time, see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.